Hello, how you doing? I'm going to do another quick video today. I'm going to do some wings in the air fryer. Really simple, really tasty. Let's get on with it. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so let's have a look at our wings. I've got here 1 kg, which is 2.2 pounds, so just over a couple of pounds of wings. You can see the sort of size they are like that. We're going to take a look at some ingredients now, some spices and herbs and that. We're going to get it in there, mash it up, and then it's going to go into the air fryer. So I've got a cup of onion. I'm using white onion, cut fairly small. Half a cup of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, and then we've got a teaspoon each of these guys. Salt, pepper, cumin, allspice, also known as pimento, and here I've got smoked paprika. You can really play around with these guys. Keep your salt and pepper in there, but adjust that to whatever you want. Thyme, oregano, anything goes really. Okay, very simply, going to get a glove on and we're going to pop that into our wings. All right, got a glove on because I'm going to go in my hand. You don't have to do that. You could use a spoon if you want. Now, I didn't show you this earlier, but we're going to put a little bit of oil in. I'm using a sunflower oil just to sort of bring it all together. And then we're going to go with that onion, the garlic, the spices. Let's have another look, shall we, quickly. I'm going 1 teaspoon each. Salt, pepper, smoked paprika, allspice, cumin powder. Now, if you wanted, you could put in garlic powder, ginger powder, things like that. It's up to you. And then the half cup of ketchup. And then I'm just going to mix this all around, and then we're ready for the air fryer. Really simple. So as you can see that I've just put my chicken wings into the basket. They're going to go in. I'm going to do them at 180 for about 15 to 20 minutes, but all air fryers are slightly different. And halfway through, I'm going to go in and I'm going to turn them over. They look all right, don't they? That was 20 minutes, job done. Super, super easy. I love my air fryer, I really, really do. They're juicy, they're tasty, they're fast. Serving that, a few fries, bit of salad, some lemon wedges. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.